Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about in the exercise 13.1 seventh problem. In the seventh problem, they have given the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air. That is SO2 is nothing but sulfur dioxide in the air. That is in terms of parts per million. That is in short form we can say it as a ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities here. So in a certain city and is presented below here. The concentration is like this. They have given the class interval it is 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08, 0.08 to 0.12. Like this class interval they have given. What is the class size of this class interval? It will be equal for all the classes here. So upper limit minus lower limit, that is 0.04 minus 0.00, that is nothing but 0.04. So the frequency table is given here. They told you to find out the mean concentration of a sulfur dioxide in the air. Let us take the columns here. The first column is the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the ppm, and then frequency. Next column is given here. So next one, the classes are continuous here. No need of conversion. So class mark, next column is nothing but a class mark. How to find out the class mark? Class mark is nothing but the midpoint of this one. How to find out the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So it will be nothing but 0.02. If you want me to solve here, see the upper limit plus lower limit. How much it will be? 0.04 divided by 2. That is 0.02. Cancel it. 2 zeros are zeros are, then 2 twos are. This is nothing but a class mark. We got the class mark. So next one it is class mark in the same way. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. You will get 0.06, next 0.10, 0.14, 0.18, 0.22. Next, how to find out the UI? UI is nothing but difference of a class mark and a assumed mean. How to assume the mean in the class mark? Now how many terms? I told you about the odd terms in the class mark. Now here in the class mark we are having the even terms. When even terms are there in the middle, we will get 2 terms, that is 0.10 and 0.14. In this, any one you can choose it as a assumed mean. Both are same. So I am assuming here 0.10. So if I assume as a 0.10 here, so find out for the UI now. UI is nothing but xi minus a divided by h. Let me show you. Xi is how much? 0.01 and 02 minus assumed mean is 0.10 divided by class size is 0.04. So when you subtract it, 0.08 you will get minus, because the bigger is 0.10. You know how to identify the bigger decimals. So divided by 0.04. Now you can cancel it directly. 1s are here, 2s are. So it, because the decimal numbers, after 2 digits the decimal numbers it is having. So next it will be nothing but minus 2. So minus 2, minus 1. In this pattern UI you will be getting the first negative then positive numbers. So here minus 2, after that minus 1, 0. Next is 1, 2, 3 according to the number line how we are getting. On the left side we are having a negative. Then at a neutral it is 0. The next it will be on the right side it will be positive. The same. Next you have to find out Fi into UI. Fi into UI means 4 2s are 8. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 9 9 are 9. 9 zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now we have reduced the number. If you take direct also you will get the same. So next add the Fi column. That is minus 8 minus 9 it is minus 17. Minus 17 plus 0 is minus 17. Minus 17 plus 2 that is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 8 7. Minus 7. Minus 7 plus 6 it is nothing but minus 1. Clear? Now we got a Fi UI. Then sum of the frequencies, that is summation of Fi, that is 30 you will get, because already it is known that 30 localities. Okay, the data was collected for 30 localities. That is nothing but the frequency. So sum it is 30. Now x formula you have to apply, step deviation formula. X bar is equal to a plus summation of Fi into Ui divided by summation of Fi into H class size. Assumed mean already it is known that 0.10 plus minus 1 divided by 30 into 0.04. Next is 0.110 divided by, you take it as 1, nothing is there means 1. So here multiply this, you will get minus 0.04 divided by 30. Now plus into minus, multiply the signs here, you will get 0.04 divided by 30. Now subtract these two, you will get 2.96. 3.00 minus 0.04, it will be nothing but 2.96. So you will get 2.96 divided by 30 you have to do. Now in place of 30 you can do like this. So 3 into 30 you can write it as a 3 into 10 because 10 you can take it as a decimal very easily. So I have separated that 10 here. Now cancel this one. 3 zeros are because only one digit is there to shift the point. So 0.3 nines are 27, 2 remains 26, 3 8s are 24, 2 remains. Okay, then 0, 20 it will be, 3 6 are 18, 20 minus 18 again 2, it goes on recurring. So we can take it as a 0.0986 as an answer because now 10 is there, you have to shift that point towards the left side. So it will be 0.0986. So approximately you can write it as 0.099. Okay. Is it clear for you? Thank you. Good afternoon, students. Now let us discuss about the mode. Already I have explained you what is the mode, all those things, and even I have explained you the formula for the mode which is used for the grouped data. So when the class interval is given, how to find out the mode for that. Now here is the first question, exercise 14.2, first question here. They have given the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during the year here. Ages they have mentioned in the class interval 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 to 65. They have given the number of patients here. 6 patients are there in this age. So 11 patients are there in this age. Like this, the number of patients they have given. They told you to find out the mode and the median of the data given above. So compare and interpret the two measures of a central tendency. Now let us take that column once again here because we have to find out the lower limit model class here. So we cannot do in the questions. Once again you take down that column. Now in this, which is the maximum frequency? Now in this frequency table, maximum means highest frequency is nothing but 23. This is nothing but a highest frequency, and for that the class interval it is nothing but 35 to 45. So it is called as a model class. And this 23 is called as a frequency of that model class. First you have to choose the maximum frequency. For that maximum frequency, the class interval of that frequency is nothing but the model class. So next, before that F1 what is there? Or we can say it as a presiding of that model class is nothing but the frequency F0. And succeeding of that frequency of that model class, it is nothing but a F2. Yeah. Now what is the class size here? H is nothing but a class size. Upper limit minus lower limit is nothing but a class size. So 15 minus 5 it is 10. So let us write that model class is equal to 35 to 44. Then L, it is nothing but a lower limit, it is nothing but L is lower limit of this model class, it is 35. Lower limit of that model class. So next F1, maximum frequency, that is 23. F0, presiding of that frequency of model class, that is 21. F2 is nothing but a frequency of the succeeding of a frequency of model class. So it is nothing but a F2 is 14. So H is nothing but a class size 15 minus 5. that is 10. Class size is 10. So let us go for the formula. Mode is equal to L plus open bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is nothing but the formula for the mode. Let us take here. So L is what? L is nothing but the 35 plus F1 is what? 23 minus F0 is 21. 2 into 23 minus 21 minus F2 is 40. So into class size is 10. Clear? Next, 35 plus 2. 23 minus 21 is 2. 46 here minus 21 minus 14. It is nothing but minus 30 into 10. So 35 plus 2 by 11 into 10. So it is nothing but 35 plus 20 by 11. So 35 plus, the answer for this is 20 by 11. It is nothing, when you divide you will get 1.11 ones are, okay, 99 is remaining, 90 is remaining. So 11 8s are 1.8, 1 goes on recurring. There is no end. Okay, here. Now what is the approximation, approximate value for that? That is nothing but 36. 35 plus 1 is 36. 36.8. This is nothing but an approximation. Approximate value. Is it clear for you? Thank you. Good morning, students. Yesterday I have told you about the mode. Okay. In the first, that is exercise 14.2, the first question they have asked you to find out the mode. Now mode and mean both they have said. Yesterday I have explained you about the mode. Now just for the same class intervals we have to find out the mean. Okay, for that we have to take the columns for that class interval. The next column it is nothing but frequency. Now you have to find out the xi. It is nothing but the class mark. So 15 plus 5, that is 20, divided by 2, it is nothing but a 10. Next go on doing as it is. So 15, next 20, here 30, 40, then 50, 60. Now this is nothing but a class mark. Next go for find out for a UI. Or you can go for the direct method. Why I am not saying you to find out by a direct method? Because the class interval it is a mode. So when this is a mode, then you have to go for the step deviation method. When the class intervals are very lesser, for example 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6 like this, single digit numbers are there in the class interval, then you can find out by a direct method. Now step deviation, ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h. You have to find out ui. So for that we need A, assumed mean. A means assumed mean. Here we are having in a xi column we are having a 6 terms, that is nothing but a even terms we are having. In these even terms we will get a 2 middle terms. So in this any one you can assume as a assumed mean. That is I will assume here as a 40 as a assumed mean. So A is 40. Xi minus A, 10 minus 40, it is nothing but minus 30. So minus 30 divided by class size, h is nothing but class size. 15 minus 5, that is 10. 10 is a class size. Divided by 10, it is nothing but minus 3. Next is minus 2. Next one minus 1. 40 minus 40, it is nothing but 0. Next it will be 1. Then 2. I told you about according to the number line you will get here. Next column it is nothing but fi into ui. Multiply the fi and ui column, that is 6 3s are 18, plus into minus 22, then minus 21, so it is 0. Next is 14, 5 2s are 10. So find out the summation of fi ui, that is sum of fi ui column. So minus 18 minus 22, it is nothing but a 40 minus 40 minus 21, it is 60 minus 61. So plus 0, it is minus 61. Minus 61 plus 14. When minus and plus is there, you have to subtract. So 11 minus 4, it is nothing but 7. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, plus, this is minus 47, here plus 10. So it is nothing but 37. Minus 37 is nothing but the Fi, summation of a Fi Ui. Next, you have to find out the sum of a summation of a Fi. Sum of the frequencies. It is nothing but 11 plus 6, it is 17. 17 plus 21, it is 38. 38 plus 23. 38 plus 23. 11 here, 6, 61. 61 plus 14, that is 75. Plus 5, it is 80. So 80 is the sum of the frequencies. Now go for the formula. Let us take the formula for the step deviation formula to find out the mean. So mean is equal to A plus summation of Fi into Ui divided by summation of Fi into H. So assumed mean is nothing but 40 plus Fi Ui is nothing but minus 37 divided by Fi is nothing but 80 into class size is 10. So it is 40, 0, 0 get cancelled. So plus into minus, minus 37 by 8. It is nothing but 40 minus. Now 37 divided by 8 you have to do. 8 5s are 40. So 8 4s are 32. 32, 7 minus 2 is 5, 0, 1, 0. 8 5s are 48, 6 are 48. 10 minus 8, 2, 0, 0. Take 8 2s are 16. So it will be nothing but 4, 0. Next, 8 5s are 40. The answer is here. The division of 37 by 8 is nothing but 4.625. So 44, you have to subtract here. So 40 minus 4.625. So subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5. So here 3. The answer is nothing but 35.375. Here, this is nothing but the mean. Thank you. Good morning, students. Let us go for the exercise, that is 14.2, second question. The second question is, here the data is given, the information of the lifetimes of the electrical components. Of how many electrical components? 225 electrical components, and the lifetime is nothing but in hours they have given. So this is a column here, one is lifetimes, another one is frequency here. So the class interval it is given in the lifetimes in hours, 0 to 20 hours, 20 to 40 hours, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 hours, 80 to 100 hours, 100 to 120 hours. So next frequency is given as a 10, 35, 52, 61 electrical components, 38 electrical components, 29 electrical components. Determine the model lifetimes of the components. Model is nothing but a mode. You have to find out the mode of this given distribution table. Now here I have taken separately because to identify the frequency, model class, we need a separately because we cannot identify only in the question. So let us do it. First most thing it is nothing but you have to identify the highest frequency in the frequency table. Which is the highest in that? 61 is the highest, and this is nothing but the frequency F1, highest frequency F1. Now what is the class for that? That is 60 to 80. This is nothing but a model class. Which is the model class here? 60 to 80 is the model class. Model class is equal to 60 to 80. So what is L in this? L is nothing but a lower limit of the model class. So L, this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. So L is lower limit, 60. Next, what is F1? Highest frequency or maximum frequency is nothing but a F1. So it is nothing but F1 is 61. So next comes the F0. F0 is previous number, or we can say it as a previous frequency of this maximum frequency, or a preceding frequency of the maximum frequency. That is nothing but F0 is 52, F0 is 52. Then F2, it is nothing but succeeding of the maximum frequency, or succeeding of the frequency of the model class. So next succeeding means it is 38. This is nothing but F2. F2 is 38. What is the class size here? Class size is nothing but 20 minus 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. So it is nothing but 20 is the class size. Now let us go for the formula. That is mode is equal to L plus open bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L already it is known that 60 plus F1 minus F2, it is F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38. Class size is 20. So next let us go for the further calculation here. So it is nothing but 60 plus, so 61 minus 52, that is 9 by 122 minus, it will be nothing but 90 minus 52 minus 38, it is 90 into 20. Next 60 plus, so it is 60 plus 9 by, that is 2, 32 into 20, that is cancel this. 2 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, so 2 5s are, 2 8s are. So it is nothing but 60 plus 45 divided by 8. 45 how you got? 9 5s are 45. So now divide this one, or you can go for the LCM. By using the LCM you can do, or go for the division directly. 60 plus divide this one. 45 divided by 8. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So it is nothing but 5. So 0.0. 8 6 are 48. So 0. 8 1s are, 8 2s are 16. Okay. 10 minus 6 is 4. 0. 8 5s. So it is nothing but 5.625. Next it is 65.625. This is nothing but the mode of that given distribution table. Okay. Thank you.